So, I am so shocked. We're going to be here as the first ever riders on grand opening, and I never thought we'd get to do this, but we got row 2. I'm happy. I don't care. I'm one of the first riders. I'm ecstatic. Thank you so much for Shards with Rock. We're about ready to ride, and we got a full car doing this, so we're going to feel all bits of stuff. We're going to do grand opening ribbon cutting in just a minute, but oh my god, this is awesome. I just got one question though, as I'm gonna put this over here. You guys ready behind me?
Woo!
Let's go!
First train!
But man, I'm telling you, this is gonna be absolutely epic. All the operators here are happy. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is wild. I think this is better than being at ribbon cutting. This is even better. This is awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the first public riders on Iron Gwazi on opening day. I got a full crowd of people over here. Everyone wave! There's the wavers, and we're about ready to take the first drop. Guys, this is Dillon from We the Coasters. I'm literally in shock and in almost tears right now how excited I am to ride this here on opening day. And I'm telling you, this ride is gonna haul, but we take that first drop. I better hear some good screams of I'm gonna be extremely disappointed in people. So without further ado, enjoy the ride and hold on tight. Here we go.
Oh shit!
Here we go. Comes stall! Trick track! Final airtime! Into the brakes! And that is Iron Gwazi's grand opening ride! How was it?
Let's go!
What a ride that was! I'm telling you, come to Busch Gardens Tampa. You will not be disappointed. This is grand opening, first ride, and I never thought we'd be able to get to be here. Not just for We the Coasters, but just myself included. And look at the people coming on in for the next one. This is wild. Guys, come to Busch Gardens Tampa. You will not be disappointed. I am telling you, what a ride this is. Hands down. And look at, they got tributes for Gwazi right over here at both sides of Tiger over here in line on the end. But now, we're gonna get celebrated by all these mob of people over here. What a ride this is. I'm so ecstatically happy. I know it's just only for this part of the video, but thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you for when this Busch Gardens vlog is gonna come out. This is gonna be nuts. Oh man, what a ride.